Hey guys, how's it going? In the previous video, we have talked about on how we can use a Django administration dashboard to manage our data inside our database. So now in this video, we're going to walk through on how we can implement create to do inside our web application. So here in our to-dos application in the views.py, here we can create a new view which called create to do, and we get the request parameter, and here we can return just a simple HTTP response with create to do like this. So here we also want to print out the request.post. So this request.post variable contains all of our post request data. So here we also need to register our view inside our urls.py. So here we can say path and create to do, and we pass the create to do view, and the name is create to do like this. And we also need to import it right here, create to do. And here in our home.html, we can change the action to be the URL and create to do like this. And we also want to change the method to be the post like this. If we go to our browser and we hit refresh and we say learn React and create to do, and we can see that we get an error. And this error said that CSRF verification failed. And the reason why we get this error is because Django has a very great security system which deny every single post request that coming from the form which have no CSRF token. So here in our home.html, we can add our CSRF token by using the CSRF token like this. So this CSRF token prevent the malicious user to send a spam data. So if we go to our browser again, we hit here, we create to do, we hit refresh and we say learn React and we create to do, and we can see our create to do. And if we go to our console, and you can see that we have this print out to the console, the query dict, and we have the title learn React. So we will use this title to create a new to-do and save it to the database. So here we can go to our views.py, and here instead of printing out, we can just create a new to-do objects.create, and the title should be request.post and the title like this. And here, instead of returning HTTP response, we want to redirect the user back into the homepage. So we can do that by running redirect, reverse, and home, which is the name of our homepage route. We also need to import the redirect and the reverse like this. So if we go to our browser again and we say learn React and we create to do, and we can see our learn React is saved into the database as well as showed into our homepage. So that's cool. So that's it for implementing the create to do feature. See you guys in the next video.